Hey everyone! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we uncover the hidden secrets of the plant world. Have you ever looked at a plant in the morning and seen little droplets of water on the edges of its leaves? It's a common sight, especially after a humid night. You might have thought it was dew, but guess what? There's more to it than meets the eye. It's likely something called guttation. This fascinating process is often confused with dew, but it's quite different. And today we're diving into the fascinating world of plant water processes, guttation and transpiration. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about transpiration. Transpiration is a vital process for plants. This is basically how plants sweat. It's their way of staying cool and hydrated. During the day, plants absorb water from the soil through their roots. This water is essential for their growth and survival. This water travels up through tiny tubes called xylem and reaches all the way to the leaves. It's like a plant's internal plumbing system. Here it evaporates into the air through small openings called stomata. These tiny pores play a huge role in the plant's water regulation. Think of stomata as tiny mouths on the leaves. They open and close to regulate water loss and gas exchange. This whole process helps the plant cool down and also plays a big role in pulling more water and nutrients from the soil. It's a continuous cycle that keeps the plant healthy. Now let's talk about guttation. This is another fascinating process that plants use to manage water. Guttation happens when the soil is super wet and there's high humidity. These conditions create the perfect environment for guttation to occur. Plants absorb a lot of water, but when the stomata are closed, usually at night, the pressure in the roots builds up. This pressure needs to be released somehow. This pressure forces water out through special structures called hydrothodes at the edges of the leaves. These structures act like safety valves. So those droplets you see in the morning, that's guttation in action. It's the plant's way of relieving excess water pressure. Here's a quick trick to remember the difference. Transpiration and guttation might seem similar, but they occur under different conditions. Transpiration happens during the day and involves water vapor leaving the plant through stomata. It's a daytime process driven by sunlight. Guttation usually happens at night and involves liquid water being pushed out through hydrothodes. Simple, right? It's a nighttime process driven by root pressure. But why do plants even need these processes? What's the big deal? Well, transpiration helps with nutrient uptake and cooling the plant. It's essential for the plant's overall health and function. It's like the plant's air conditioning system. Without it, plants would overheat and struggle to get the nutrients they need. Guttation, on the other hand, helps relieve pressure when there's too much water. It's a safety mechanism to prevent damage to the plant. Both processes are crucial for the plant's health and survival. They ensure that the plant can thrive in various conditions. So next time you see droplets on a plant, you'll know exactly what's going on. It's either transpiration or guttation at work. Whether it's the cool, evaporative process of transpiration or the pressure relief system of guttation, plants have some pretty amazing ways of managing water. These processes are a testament to the incredible adaptability of plants. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed learning about these fascinating plant processes. If you enjoyed learning about plant mysteries, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome science content. See you next time. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of nature.